Welcome to lesson number 4, creating templates. Project templates are one of the best ways to empower your team to conduct fast, effective research with Research Hub. If your team often launches the same types of projects with similar screeners or methods, templates can save time and ensure consistency across the board. In this lesson of our Team Building in Coordination with Research Hub course, we'll discuss the types of templates you may want to create for your team, how to create project templates, and some tips and considerations for successful project templates. Templates are one of the best ways to help your team conduct research quickly and professionally while adhering to best practices. Some of the templates that you should create include email templates. These are standard project notifications. For example, welcome emails, session reminders that auto-populate email-based content based on the study type and format. You already created your first email template set in the Hub for Research Ops Setup and Onboarding course. For best results, you'll want to create multiple template sets tailored to different types of research. The next type is going to be project templates, and these are pre-filled with details for specific study types, allowing researchers to save time during project launch. We recommend creating a project template for every project type that your research team is likely to use. We'll show you how to create project templates in the next section. And lastly, other general templates. To save time and standardize research activity across your organization, you may also want to create more general internal templates for things like study plans, note-taking matrices, research finding presentations, and more. Next, we'll talk about how to create and edit a project template. The first step will be after creating and launching your project, you'll want to find your project in the main project workspace. Click Mark as a Template to the right of the project title to pin the template project to the top of your project page under Team Templates. To unmark the template, simply click the button again. From here, your teammates will be able to find the project template by clicking Templates at the top of their project list. Selecting Use as a Template creates a copy of the project with Copy appended to the title. These projects will be created as a draft regardless of the template project status. And lastly, to edit a template, you'll need to find and edit the original project in your project list. At this time, you cannot edit templates from the Team Template section. Next, I want to talk through some tips and considerations for using project templates. When creating project templates for your team, here are some tips to keep in mind. Anyone on your team can mark or unmark a project as a template, as long as they have access to duplicate that project. And to avoid a messy templates list, you'll want to make sure your team knows what templates are and how to use them. Another recommendation would be to create a base project template and duplicate it for different types of research. For example, you can create a template that's pre-filled with your standard recruitment criteria and duplicate it to create templates for unmoderated tasks, one-to-one interviews, and multi-day studies. You'll want to use nomenclature that will make sense to you and your team. Clear internal titles that will help your teammates quickly identify which templates to use. For example, you could structure your project template titles as study type, recruitment criteria, date. For example, one-to-one interviews, project owners and managers, Q4 2024. And our last tip to keep in mind, if you have the document signing feature included in your subscription, any documents that you include in the original project will be carried over. This means researchers won't have to re-upload any consent forms, NDAs, or any other documents when using a duplicated project template. However, they will be able to edit or remove the document as needed. Project templates save time during the project building process, and they're also a great resource for new teammates so you don't have to start from